Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, and if new here, a grand welcome. I'm having eggs as usual. Although today I miss having some scrambled eggs. Some salt. And now I can finally whip them up. Okay, it's ready. Let me just get my scones. We use Faya's Baker's scones bread. So I'll just take one. In the toast machine. Actually, this is a panini maker machine, but I like using it to toast my scone. As we all know, I like cutting it into half. Just like that. And voila. It's now time to make some tea. I'm just going to make 1 cup because it's just me. I have my water in half. I like putting the ratio of half to half, 1 to 1. So I'm going to start boiling my water after putting in some tea leaves. I like my tea a bit concentrated. So that means more tea leaves. I'm going to make eggs. I'm now going to add in some milk. It's the most satisfying process actually. Some ghee. I don't like to waste any, so yeah. My eggs. And now I like to mix. Yeah, that's it. I like it a bit raw. So this will do. Here's my plate. My eggs. I like it a bit raw. Meanwhile, my toast is ready. Yum, just look at that, guys. So nice. Tea remaining. And my tea is also ready. Now we just switch it off. that is 1 cup. Let me take this on the table now. Okay guys, so let me have my breakfast and I'll update you on later. Going out guys. We had to restock some of the groceries, so we came at Carrefour of Promenade Mall because you know it's my favorite Carrefour branch. So here we are, and now let's go and buy some of those groceries. And my handbag please. They had a discount on the potatoes, which is 59 shillings, Kenya shillings, for 1 kilogram. And the market you will get it at 70 Kenya shillings for 1 kilogram. So here we are picking the potatoes. Actually my sister is doing that. Having a chai lover and a coffee lover at home, obviously we had to restock on the milk. This is so cute, guys. Oh my god, guys, look at these plates. They are mashallah, mashallah, Allahumma barik. They're so beautiful. But 425, that's so expensive for just one plate. But look at all of these. They're just wow. These things are making me go crazy. Oh my god, these are so cute, guys. So this goes for, oops, bismillah, 675. We also got this for grey. We are now on the first floor of Promenade Mall, and these are some of the shops that they have. Actually, we just came here for the Panda Tea, but I'll just show you around too. My indecisive nature got me here actually. I took such a long time to order, but lastly I ordered mango shake tea, something like that. And yeah, hope I like it. Our order is here now. Let us grab this and go back to the car so that we can go back home. Drink plus car is equals to Mira. My sister, guys, she's the one driving us. Isn't she lovely? Remember that we bought some potatoes earlier, and now we're using those potatoes to make some chips. So let me now fry them. By the way, I usually add some salt before I fry my chips or fries. And I usually like to use the spatula so that it do not get burnt. I really love myself, don't I? While I'm frying the fries or chips, my sister is making some chicken. They look yummy, and by the way, they are drumsticks. You know what's going on in my mind right now? Chicken wings, chicken wings. my dinner is ready, guys. I got my drumsticks, my salad, and fries. And I'm one of those people that put almost ketchup or tomato sauce on everything. Anyways, let me put that on my fries. Salivating. Yum. Welcome, guys. And let me eat. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Later at night we saw these beautiful fireworks. I guess there's been a wedding there or an event. I just hope they're enjoying as much as I'm enjoying watching these fireworks. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's vlog. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.